You don't really see a place until you slow down enough to feel it. Most people don't walk through a city, they rush through it. Head down, mind somewhere else, already thinking about what's next. And because of that, they miss everything. But York doesn't work like that. You can't rush this place, not properly, because the real story of this city isn't in the landmarks, it's in the streets. It's in the footsteps echoing across old stone, the quiet conversations passing you by, the movement of people just living their lives. There's no performance, no pressure, just life happening exactly as it should. And the moment you slow down, everything changes. The noise fades, the rush disappears, and for the first time in a long time, you actually start to notice where you are. Not just see it, but feel it. Look around, really look. Every single person you pass is carrying something, a past, a struggle, a dream they haven't told anyone about. Some are laughing, some are lost in thought, some are just trying to get through the day. And for a moment, all those lives cross right here. Same street, same second, completely different worlds. That's the part most people don't think about. They assume everyone else has it figured out and they're somehow behind or off track. But the truth is, everyone is just walking their own path. There's no perfect route, no exact timeline you're supposed to follow, just people moving forward in the only way they know how. And for this brief moment, we're all part of the same story, even if you'll never speak again, even if you never see each other again. Here's the truth most people don't want to face. You're not missing life because it isn't happening. You're missing it because you're not present. You're thinking about yesterday, replaying things you can't change. You're worrying about tomorrow, trying to control things that haven't happened yet. And while you're doing that, life is moving without you. It's in the sound of footsteps behind you, the silence between conversations, the moment you just walk past without even noticing. That moment was life. Not the big wins, not the highlights, just that simple, quiet second you overlooked. And the question is, how many of those moments have you already missed? How many times have you been somewhere but not really there at all? Because life isn't waiting for you to catch up. It's happening constantly, whether you're paying attention or not. But here's where everything shifts. The moment you become present, everything changes. Your thoughts slow down, your breathing settles, and you start noticing things you've ignored for years. The way the light hits the ground, the rhythm of people walking past you, the energy of a place that doesn't need to impress anyone. And suddenly you're not chasing anything. You're not trying to be somewhere else or become someone else. You're just here. And that's where the power is. Because when you're present, you see clearly, you feel more, and you connect, not just to the world around you, but to yourself. Most people never experience this. They stay stuck in distraction, always looking ahead, always searching for something more. But the truth is, there's nothing to chase in this moment. Everything you need is already here. You keep waiting for the right time, the right moment, the right version of yourself to finally start living. But this is it. This street, this moment, this breath, this is your life. Not later, not someday, now. So stop waiting, stop rushing, stop thinking life is somewhere else, because it isn't. It's right here, in the noise, in the silence, in the steps you're taking right now. You're either in it or you're missing it. So be here, fully, no distractions, no excuses, because one day these moments will be the ones that mattered, and you'll realize it was never about chasing more. It was about seeing what was already there. York doesn't try to change you, but if you let it, it will. Not by force, not by pressure, but reminding you of something simple, that life is happening now. And this moment, this is where it all begins. If this made you stop even for a second, then you felt it. And that's what this is all about. Not just watching the world, but actually living it. If you're on this journey with me, hit subscribe, because this is just the beginning. More real moments, more perspective, more reminders of what actually matters. And if you're ready to stop drifting and start showing up in your life, stay with me. Because we're not here to watch life pass by, we're here to live it. Unleash your storm.